Hello, gurus, and welcome to another episode. I'm here with amazing Slavic.
We are we are again in the same outfit. Yeah, we have several times the T-shirt, guys.
I'm saying Bitcoin is going to go up to 31,000. What do you think is going to happen?
I think we could say small pump, but then we will go down because S&P 500 create new lower low.
I hope he's wrong, because then I get another $1,000.
Yes, that's very nice that you're hoping, but you can give me already $1,000.
We're going to jump into the technicals for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button down there. Join 74,000 people and smash up the thumbs up button. The more you hit that thumbs up button down there, everyone, the more these videos go viral, the bigger the community, the more we make videos, the more everyone just grows. So smash up that thumbs up button down there. My goal, I've been investing for 20 years. Someone asked me to tell my story. So my story was...
My story, this is your whole story, man. This is the story of your life. Don't lie, come on. This is why we all doing this stuff, you know. This is the only reason, to be honest.
I'm married. It's not. So, investing since I started trading technical when I was 14 with Forex, then stocks, and then crypto mining in 2012 with Bitcoin. And now I'm showing you what I do with my money. So all these videos, they're not financial advice. You have to make your own decisions, but I show you what I do with my money. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. And on the 4 hourly, I still think we're in this channel, this blue channel. And it worked out yesterday. If you followed the videos, we exactly bounced off the bottom of this blue channel, that Bitcoin. So you're seeing Bitcoin moving for the last 1 month since we had that big drop. With the crash of Luna UST, I think that was the bottom because so many things happened. UST crashed, USDT destabilized, Luna sold 80,000 Bitcoin, Luna crashed. So there was a lot, and the stock market crashed on the same day. So there was a lot of fear in the market, a lot of capitulation. You can see that with the volume. We had one of the highest volume days ever recorded. And that's why I think it was capitulation. And then we had this big bounce back. And we've been ranging now 31,000, 28,000, 30,000. And now we bounced off that 28,600 yesterday. Squeeze mob is again going to the green side. This trend line we've been moving up since that bottom formation did actually hold perfectly. So if you're doubting technical analysis, look at this. You can clearly see how this trend line held up. This trend line was drawn 2 days ago or 3 days ago before this movement happened, and you can see how the price held above the trend line. TA is amazing. Squeeze mob is going to the green side. Stochastic is oversold on the 4 hourly, time to be buying in my opinion. RSI is heading up, still making higher lows on the RSI, which is pretty good. EMA ribbons, we got again rejected from the EMA ribbons. Pretty much every single time we come into these EMA ribbons, we get rejected. Till we break above it and bounce and then start heading up, we're still in a bear market, but I just think Bitcoin will be ranging sideways after that extreme fear dip to the 26K, in my opinion. VPVR is showing there's a lot of resistance now to 30,000. Bitcoin Crypto Guru Bot, which you get in the master course where you can learn TA, is also showing red sell. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a sell. It hasn't fired a buy yet. So that's on the 4 hourly. On the hourly, I'm seeing kind of an M form, but it's just channeling sideways between these two channels, 31,000, 28,000. Keep it simple until this channel breaks. On the hourly, it looks like we're going to be retesting this support again at 29,200. Stochastic is overbought heading down. RSI is also trying to head down, but it's mostly finished this movement. Squeeze mob is going towards the green side. I actually added more to my position yesterday. If you followed my videos, I bought more down here at the 28,600. Now I'm going to show you my trades, then I'll show you what I think is going to happen. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, hit this thumbs up button. Let's get thousands of likes. Hit the subscribe button. Join 74,000 subscribers. Click the join button to follow my live trades in stocks and cryptos. And if you want to trade like you're going to see me do, this Bybit link down below in the description, pin comment. Go down below, hit this Bybit link, sign up. You get a $4,600 bonus when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. That will give you this account. In here, I have $190,200, $190,000. I've got Bit 42,000 worth. I've got CRV up to 3%, 33,000 worth. I've got one Bitcoin in here, and I've got USDT. I've got a Bitcoin long open right now. It's a $25,000 trade. It's currently down 1.87%. So now it's getting bigger because every time we come down, I'm adding more. If this is the bottom, I want to build a big position here. If it does drop, I will buy more. So if you haven't opened a trade yet, I would actually be opening the trade that every time it comes to the bottom of this channel, it's creating inverse head and shoulders formation here. That's not a good sign on the hourly. You see this head and shoulders seems to be forming here. If that breaks, this could be like a drop and breaking through this blue channel. But let's see. I would actually, until the channel breaks, I respect it, so I'd be going long on the bottom of the channel. Stop loss below this previous supports down here. So my stop loss sitting at 27,400 and my take profit at the top of the channel, 31,296. So that gives me a 2-point ratio trade. I'm risking, for every $1,200 I risk, I make $2,600. With 10x leverage, I'd make $26,000 of profits. So I'd open the long at 28,600. I would set the limit order, stop loss at 27,400, and the take profit at 31,296. Let's look at Ethereum now, and then the total market cap. BNB having a big bounce back today. BNB is looking actually quite bullish. It's making higher lows and it's trending up on the hourly. Let's go on to the 4 hourly. I like BNB and I actually bought a lot of it over on Binance. I'll show you. In this account, I moved some money here to pay someone. There's 382,000 in here. I've got 4 Bitcoin in here. And I've got BNB $96,000. I bought $80,000 and it's up $16,000 in 1 week. So I'm going to keep stacking BNB here. I've got another big buy order for BNB at $260. I'll buy another 100 BNB. That's what I'm holding in that account. So BNB, in my opinion, is looking quite bullish here. But again, my buy order is sitting, if we have a spike down in Bitcoin and a lot of fear, my buy order will automatically execute at $260 on BNB. Let's look at Ethereum now. Ethereum on the 4 hourly, same channel as Bitcoin. Ethereum is currently just channeling between 1950 and 2140. On the daily, it's on a major support, but the biggest support area is actually at 1,700. So it can come down there again and retest 1,700. But a lot of volume on that capitulation. Stochastic is oversold though. RSI is oversold. Squeeze mob is going toward, it turned gray. And I'm going to show you a way that you can. This is how I called the top in November. If everyone wants to know how I called the top on Bitcoin and Ethereum and the total crypto markets in November. So this is how I call the tops. On the weekly charts, I use squeeze mob indicator as I teach you in the crypto master course. You can see here the day that we went from green to gray, that was the day that we topped here in May 2021. We topped at 64,000. Then you can see when we went red to gray here, that was the bottom at 29K in June 2021. And you can see then here on November 11, when I called the top at 69,000, that was the top of Bitcoin when we went from green to gray on the squeeze mob. And you can see here we had the same thing bottom out here. We went from red to gray on the 28th of February. It did drop down more because of this black swan event, because of Luna crashing and them selling all the 80,000 Bitcoin. But it went from the major movement of this movement happened and went from red to gray. That's why I think the bottom in. This squeeze mob is used for this predicting the bottoms and the tops. That's why I think now is the time to be buying. November 11th, when I called the top, was the time to be selling. Let's go back to Ethereum, and then on Ethereum, the support is 1,720, but we are in a channel at the moment. You can see that we're channeling between, actually it's a bit lower. The channel starts 1,900 and 2,146. We're in a channel on Ethereum. 4 hourly squeeze mob. It's just channeling here on Ethereum between 1,900 and 2,146, a small channel. Squeeze mob going to green. Stochastic RSI is still heading up. Stochastic is also heading up. So again, channeling between 1,900, 2,104. And you could just be opening longs and shorts until this channel breaks. On Ethereum and Bitcoin, we respect the channels. That's how I would go long on Ethereum. Opening the trade at 1,900, stop loss 1,789, take profit at 2,146. So that's my thoughts on the markets. Again, to trade using Bybit link, $4,600 worth of bonuses. This is an NFT. I minted a Magicraft NFT. You can do it at magicraft.io. The public sale is now live. It's 0.75. The NFTs will be revealed after the public mint finishes. I also bought an NFT from sonsofcrypto.com, a Web3 wallet. I bought a bunch of them. There's 623 minted out of 1,100. I don't know how many's left. I'm not affiliated with this wallet. I just think it's a cool project. It's a MetaMask, a decentralized MetaMask. How NFT collectors look flexing their NFTs in public.
I just also posted it on Twitter. This is so nice.
Good morning, James. You're the only person making money in this market. This is the Magic Craft team working hard. That's my thoughts on the market. That's what I'm doing with my money. And I think we're staying in this channel until it breaks. Thank you for watching, everyone. We're going to go back to wearing the same shirts, drinking coffee, and doing lazy stuff.
Yeah, chilling.
And follow Crypto Slavic on Slavic Crypto on YouTube. And he's also like a world famous comedian. So make sure you're starting to integrate comedy now into your crypto. I saw.
Yeah, on my Twitter channel. Or I have also, yes, on my Twitter channel. Yeah.
You should make lots of like crypto comedy. There's not much crypto comedy.
Yeah, I'm doing.
Like what's a joke you could do with like?
Here, I did here this video.
So
after crash, how crypto traders look like.
In first class?
Oh,
tell them about your concept. No. This one where you're like a Russian oligarch billionaire.
Which losing money.
So
yeah. Tell you, it's too difficult.
So
it's too long.
He wants to make. He's making a comedy thing where he's a Russian billionaire, like a super oligarch, and now because of the sanctions, he's like poor, living in this shitty like address Skyview, sitting with only multi-millionaires instead of
billionaires.
Flying in shitty first class instead of private jets, going on shit 100-foot yachts instead of super yachts. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.